Hey guys, it's Roy from WayScript. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can use WayScript to build datasets from subreddits. Let's get started. I'm here in my dashboard right now, and I'm going to select Build from Scratch. I'll name my program Subreddit Data and hit Create. Now that I'm in the recipe builder, I'll drag in my Reddit module. The Reddit module has many different modes, and each mode will give you different types of data. In this example, I will use the mode Search a Subreddit. For my inputs, I will need to enter a subreddit name. I'll use the r/programming subreddit. Since this program will also return post data, I will return the hottest 100 posts. In the output section, you will see all the variables available associated with the mode Search a Subreddit. Feel free to select the outputs you want in your dataset. I will go ahead and select all the outputs. Take a look at the variables section. Some of these variables are lists as they contain multiple elements. The length of these lists are indicated on the top right of the containers. Given that our variables are in lists, we now need a loop to go over each element in the list. I will go back to my library and drag in a loop. Then, I will select all the variables that I want to loop over. My goal is to output all my data into a spreadsheet. I will insert an Excel module inside my loop as I want each element of the list to be outputted in one cell. I'm going to set the mode to write file and create a new file named subreddit dataset. For the write mode, I will select replace file as I want a new spreadsheet with the latest data each time I run the program. Now I want to add the variables I want to be outputted in my spreadsheet. I will go ahead and select my desired variables from the Reddit module. That's it. You're all done. Your program will be waiting for you in the dashboard to run, or you can simply run your program in the recipe builder. Here's a spreadsheet of my dataset on r/programming. You can see the number of subscribers, active accounts, subreddit description, post titles, date of post, post text, post author, number of upvotes, number of comments, post Reddit URLs, and post link URLs. Remember that this is your program and you can always go back into the recipe builder and make your desired edits. Congrats, you now have a program to build powerful datasets from Reddit. Thanks for watching.